Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, as you all can see that I am going to explain you the next topic, that is dividing decimals by whole numbers. You have already understood how to divide the decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000, that is multiples of 10. Now in this video I will be explaining you about dividing decimals by whole numbers. So how to divide the decimal numbers by whole number. That process is quite similar as the normal division process. We use the long division method unless the whole number is 10, 100, 1000 or any other multiple of 10. Apart from 10 or multiple of 10, if we are having any other number, any other whole number, then how do we divide? We use the long division method. For example, we have to multiply 125.5 by 5. So how will we not multiply, sorry for the word multiplication. For example, we have to divide 125.5 by 5. How will we perform the division? We will simply use the normal long division method which we are using, that is the standard division process is used. Only the thing which we have to keep in our mind is that in the question part, place the decimal point directly above the decimal point of the dividend. Okay. You will understand this part once I will start solving this question. So please pay attention students. So we will simply divide the way we are doing earlier. 5 2s are 10. In the table of 5, 12 या उससे कम क्या आता है? 10 आता है. So 5 2s are 10. 2 remainder, 5 will be dropped down. Now it is 25. Again 5 5s are 25. So 0 remainder, again 5 will be dropped down. So as you all can see that up to here there was no decimal point. यहाँ तक जब आपने perform किया there was no decimal point. Now as you all can see that when you are dropping down this digit, there is a decimal point before this digit. So you have to place a decimal point before solving this part, because there is a decimal point before this digit. So now 25, 5 ones are 5. So the final answer will be 25.1. I will be taking some more examples in order to make you understand this. So please pay attention students. Yes, we have to divide 248.08 by 2. So how will we perform this division? We will simply follow the normal division method, that is a long division method. We will simply write the dividend and then we will start dividing. 2 ones are 2. 0 remainder, 4 will be dropped down. 2 2s are 4. Again 0 remainder, 8 will be dropped down. 2 4s are 8. Again 0 remainder. Now as you all can see that here comes the decimal point into the picture. After this digit there is a decimal point. So we will also place the decimal point here. Up to 8 there was no decimal, so no decimal. But after 8 there was a decimal point, so I am going to place the decimal point in the quotient also. Okay. Now 0 is there, so 0 will be dropped down. 2 zeros are 0. Now again 8 is there, so 8 will be dropped down. 2 4s are 8. So the final answer is 124.04. Right students? I hope you must have understood. Taking some other examples. For example, we have to divide 225.9 by 3. We have to divide 225.9 by 3. So how will we perform this division process? We will simply follow the normal long division method. So as you all can see that 2 does not comes in the table of 3. So we have to check for 2 digits. What is the number that is coming in the table of 3 which is less than 22 or equal to 22? That number is 3 7s are 21. So 1 is the remainder, then again 5 will be dropped down. Now we all know that 3 5s are 15. So we have solved this part. Now as you all can see that after 5 there is a decimal point. So we have solved up to here. So now we have to place the decimal point in the quotient also now. And then we will drop down 9. And we all know that 3 3s are 9. So the final remainder is 0 and the quotient of this division process is 75.3. And yes students, how will you check that whether your answer is right or wrong? You are going to follow the same method which you were following earlier. And what is the method which we use in order to check that our divide is correct or not? That method is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the way we have to check the division process, that the divide which we have done is correct or not. So we have to follow the same thing. Okay. Now let me check this divide. Divisor is 3, quotient is 75.3, remainder was 0. So what I have to do, I have to multiply 75.3 by 3. So let me check. 75.3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 22. So as you all can see that I have obtained the dividend over here. That means the division which I have performed is totally correct. Right students? Now let me explain you some questions from the exercise. So please pay attention students. Now from here your classwork starts. The questions which I am solving from the exercise in this video are your classwork. So let's begin. The first one is 13.5 divided by 9. So we will simply follow the normal division method. 9 ones are 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. As you all can see that after 13 there is a decimal point. So place a decimal point in the quotient also. Now drop down 5. Now 9 5s are 45. So here it will be 0. Okay students. So now the next one. The next one is 4.35 divided by 3. Let me rub this for you. 4.35 divided by 3. So you are going to follow the same standard method of division. 3 ones are 3. 1 remainder is left, but after 4 there is a decimal point. So place the decimal point here also. Now drop down 3. 3 4s are 12. Again 1 is the remainder left. 5 will be dropped down. 3 5s are 15. So the quotient of this division is 1.45. I hope you must have understood students. Now I am going to solve the next option, that is C option. I am not solving C, D and E. आपका homework है. I am going to solve option number F. Let me move to the next option, last option of this question, that is option number F. So option number F is 861.620 divided by 4. So let me solve this for you. Normal division method will be followed. 4 2s are 8. 6 will be dropped down. 4 1s are 4. 2 remainder. 1 will be dropped down. 4 5s are 20. 1 remainder. Now as you all can see that after 1 there is a decimal point. Now place a decimal point in the quotient also. Now then you have to drop down 6. So 4 4s are 16. Again 2 will be dropped down. 4 zeros are 0. 0 will be dropped down. 4 5s are 20. So the final answer of this question is 215.405. So in this way, students, you have to solve option number C, option number D and option number E. And you have to solve these three options in your maths homework copy by your own. And if you will be facing any difficulty, any problem in these questions, you can comment down in the comment section. I will explain it to you. And if you have understood it well, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it. Bye bye. Take care.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.